Hey, welcome back guys. In this video, we are going to review whether or not you guys should trade with the RSI. Now the RSI is the Relative Strength Index. It indicates oversold and overbought territories, and usually it works like this. When a currency pair is oversold or touches the 75 level, some people have their levels set at different places, then you would enter into a sell position because the market is, in a sense, overbought. So example, a person, when this comes up to this level, they would enter into a sell position. But as we can see, that would not have worked out. When the market comes down here and touches the 25 level, you would enter into a buy position because the market would technically be oversold. It would be considered oversold, and you would enter into a buy position. And as you can see, that would have worked out for you. So the question is, should we trade with the RSI? So to determine whether or not we should trade with the RSI, one of the things we wanted to do to collect multiple days of data without manually going through the chart is we wanted to create an expert advisor. Go back over here. Relative Strength Index crosses above 75. Okay, that would be a sell position. All right, so let's change this. Crosses above 75. This should be crosses below 25. And I am going to show you guys a more profitable way to trade the RSI. Okay, and this should be crosses above 75. So here we have a program that says when the RSI crosses, and this is eabuilder.com. I do have a video on the channel. I do have a video on the channel that shows you guys how to create, or how I create these expert advisors or EAs, auto traders, whatever you want to call it. I do have a video that shows you how I create these in. It's on the channel, and it covers how to create an expert advisor in EA Builder. When the RSI crosses below 25, we buy. Crosses above 75, we sell. All right, we have the stop loss and the take profit set even at 15 pips because we know that, well, just from looking at the chart, it will be easier to try to grab a small amount of pips. And money management, we're trading at $1 per pip. All right, so let's copy the source here, and we're going to dump this over into here and compile it. This is the meta editor. And we're going to go over here to the strategy tester, and we're going to expert properties. I need to reset this. All right, so now what we are going to do is I'm going to run this from January 2019 to December of 2019, and we're going to see what happens. And I'll leave the visual mode off for time's sake to make it quicker. All right, so that is finished running. So let's see the results. All right, so this lost a total net profit of $170.38. The profitable trades, 25 profitable trades, and it lost 35 trades. So over the course of 2019, that would not have worked. So let's try the course of 2020. All right, so we have the date set January 1st, 2020, December 31st, 2020, and let's see what happens here. All right, that is finished running. Let's look at the report. Total net profit, $72, negative $72.22. Drawdown, $123.88. Profitable trades, 38. Lost trades, 41. So we can see that did not play out. So let's go to today, this year, and let's back this all the way up to January, and let's see where we would be at today if we had been trading this strategy since January. All right, so that's finished running. Let's look at the report. Negative $98.06, 151.73. Profitable trades 8, lost trades 14. So that does not work. The RSI trading that way does not work. And here's why. When you look at this, this is this is a lagging indicator, of course, which means it looks at past data. So when this hits the 75 level, this is telling you that the momentum or the momentum of the past data is increasing or has increased. This does not necessarily mean that it has to reverse or come down. Momentum can continue, price can continue for a very long time. So the best way to trade this is to ride the wave of momentum. So if momentum is already high when this RSI hits this level, it'll probably be better or more profitable to jump in and take a few more pips while momentum is still high before momentum tips over and goes down. So let's test that out. So to do that, we would need to come here and we would need to put it back like we had it. When the RSI crosses above 75, we want to buy. When it crosses below 25, we want to sell. And basically what that means is we would ride the tail end of momentum. And this probably wouldn't be the best way to trade, but it would at least be somewhat more profitable than just using the RSI and using it as an oversold or overbought territory to buy or sell. All right, so we have that set. So now let's go over to our settings. Let's go to expert properties. Let's reset this thing. All right, so now same time period. Remember, this was a loss. All 3 years we tried was a loss. So let's go back over here and see if we can look at this again. And this is very quick, so I won't pause the video. All right, so now let's look at the report, and we see that it gained $82. Okay, and the profitable trades is 14. The lost trades is only 8. So the take profit and the stop loss is even. So because it had more profitable trades and than losing trades, it worked. So let's go over to let's go all the way back 2019 very quickly. January 2019, the end of 2019, December 31st, 2019, and let's hit this and see what it does. All right. And my recording software is in the way of the start button here. All right, there we go. All right, so let's look at the report for the year 2019. And it is profitable, slightly profitable, $129.68. And the profitable trades is 35, and it lost 25 trades. So still a healthy amount of losses here, but at least we won more than we lost, and it's in profitable trades. So all right, so now let's try 2020. All right. Oh, wrong year. All right, let's try January 2020 and December 31st. And let's try this. All right, so let's see what happens here. Slightly profitable, $17.66. It won 41 trades and it lost 38 trades. So, hey, I mean, it won more than it lost, but it's still not as profitable as we would have liked. So